Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we're doing another model scenery kit. This time we're doing the Crofter's Cottage from Metcalfe, and it's a rather nice little looking building. The product code is PN159, so we'll just pop that over there. I did actually plan to do a video on the Zelda layout, but that's being put off for a little while, so we're doing this today. But anyway, on to the kit. So let's go with the checklist for what things which we should have included. So we've got 2 printed sheets, which is these two here. There we go. Let's pop that there for a moment. A grey card sheet, which I've already put all the numbers on, so I don't need to look at the instructions as much. So I'll pop that there. And we've got the glazing sheet, which is just here. A little bit hard to see on camera, but it is there. We've got the extra pieces sheet, which is this one. Mostly just chimneys and some curtains. And we've got the ridge towel sheet, and also the instruction booklet. And that's all the pieces to construct it. Now, tools we need. I haven't got all of them, because personally I don't think we need all of them. But I have got all of them and a couple of extras. So we've got modeller's knife. I've got a box cutter, which works just as well. A sharp pair of scissors, which I've got just here. Maybe not quite sharp, but they will do. A steel ruler, which will probably be used for the glazing. Not the glazing, the ridge tiles. I'm looking at the wrong bit of the wrong sheet. So I'll pop you there. I've got glue, which I've got my UHU glue, which works quite well. I can live over there. And a pair of fine tipped tweezers, which I've got here. I can live there. And also, extra, I've got some little clips just to help keep things together while they're gluing. It also does say have a ultra fine tip glue applicator, but I tend to use my fingers, and also using some watercolor paints to do the white edges, but I don't bother doing them because I'm lazy. And but yeah, here we are with the instructions. So first things first, it does say extract all the components from the base sheets, which I don't actually do. I actually prefer leaving them on there, so I know exactly which piece I'll need. And when it says to construct a builder's yard, again, I don't need to because I'll leave them on here. One thing which I do recommend also having is a bin beside you, so you can put all the waste right into the bin as you're building it. Right, this is where we see all the strengtheners, which I've got a pencil and already numbered them on the card already. And it says mentioning about painting the edges, which again I don't bother. And then it starts mentioning how to put it all together. So we start with just putting all the glazing in the right places, doors, and then we start working on the main building and starting with the base. Starting adding all the interior detail. Well, not the interior detail, but the interior walls against the exterior walls. Then adding some interior details there. Chimneys here. Starting on the roof. Adding the secondary building, which is the barn. And doing all the same. Adding the glazing. Adding the layering walls. Then the base of that. Again, adding all the pieces all together. And then the optional add-on, which is the lean-to building. Well, it says porch, but lean-to, porch, same difference. Oh wait, there's a lean-to. Porch there and lean-to. There we go. We'll add both of them. And then finally, finishing off with the ridge towers and the chimneys. So yeah, not a particularly difficult kit. It's a nice little kit to get started with, really. It'll probably take me, I don't think it'll take me an hour. It'll probably just take me 30 minutes. No, the speed which I put things together. So yeah, it won't really take me all that long. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to drag my bin over, and then I'll get to work putting it all together. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are, very pretty much finished off little Crofter's cottage. Found out some of the windows which I made up were actually optional, so I didn't actually have to bother doing them. But either way, it's pretty much all done. It did take me about, what was it, 40 minutes, so 10 minutes longer than I thought. But make sure it's all in shot. Yeah, very nice little kit. One thing which I did get slightly wrong is I nearly forgot the cottage doors. Luckily I managed to slip them in. That's probably what took me, actually that probably took me about 10 minutes to do, 5 to 10 minutes to do. So yeah, that's, I'd say it's half hour to 40 minutes job, this kit. Bit longer if you want to make sure all the little details are done. Yeah, it's a very nice little kit anyway. It wasn't anything really fiddly. I said all the windows are quite easy. Has got a few various options because you could leave this what was it, this barn off and put it elsewhere. You can leave the little porch off. You can move this lean-to building. Actually, that's probably the only place that can live. But the yeah, it has got a few little optional bits. And obviously you can add a few extra bits here and there to flesh it out. But yeah, ooh, I'm being messaged. I'll check that in a moment. But yeah, nice little kit. I think it was only what? I think it was only a tenner. No, £15 tops, but I think it was only about a tenner. So, in fact, I think it was 18. Not 18, 8. So I'm adding numbers together now. But yeah, nice little kit. So definitely a step up, or a nice step into putting kits together. But anyway, that's it for me, because my voice is going. Don't know where it's going, but I wish it stopped doing that. I'll probably touch up a few bits here and there just to neaten it off, but yeah, quite happy with it. Actually, one thing was they could have done is add a little lintel just there, and same on the other side, but it's a small little feature which they could have added, but it's either that or I forgot them, and yeah, I probably should add them. Actually, it might not be difficult to add them, you just need some little white card and cut it in the right shape. But yeah, either way, I'm happy with it, and yeah, it looks quite nice. Not bad for a little small model. Anyway, I'm going to stop yapping on and give my voice a little bit of a rest, and yeah, I'll see you all again next time. So if you do like it, feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and if you didn't like it, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But that's going to be it for me, so take care now. Bye bye. Wait till it comes round to the front. Come on. Come on. Let me just turn that way. There we go. Nice little cottage. Take care now.